Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia. I'm the person behind these recipes. Today I want to show you how to make quick and easy garlic Parmesan knots. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. This recipe is going to be super easy, super quick, something that doesn't require a lot of hassle. So let me show you how to make them. First thing you're going to want to do is to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then grease a cookie sheet with some cooking spray, or in my case, I'm just using some olive oil and I'm using a pastry brush to get it everywhere. I'm using canned biscuits. This is what makes this recipe super easy and quick. All you want to do is pop it open. Be careful, especially when it explodes because it makes a loud noise. And you want to grab the 8 biscuits and slice them in half. It's super easy. Once you've sliced your 8 biscuits in half, you should be left with 16 biscuits or 16 pieces. I know these biscuits are not the healthy route. It's just a super easy way to go about it. If you're wondering what those little yellow orangey specks are, they're just the butter in the biscuits. It's gonna melt, it's gonna be delicious. You do not have to use these types of biscuits. So roll each of those 16 pieces into a 5-inch rope, and then you are going to want to tie it. Now you're literally tying it like a rope or some kind of string or something like that. All I'm doing is looping it around itself, and then I'm tucking the ends into itself just because I don't want the little ends sticking out. If that doesn't bother you, you can definitely let them hang out, It's entirely up to you. It's your preference. And then you want to put these on your prepared baking sheet. Melt your unsalted butter, add that to a small bowl. Freshly grate some Parmesan cheese. Make sure you freshly grate it just because fresh Parmesan is so good. Add some extra Parmesan cheese if you would like some. Add some garlic powder, some dry oregano, and some dried parsley leaves. You could definitely use fresh herbs if you want, and then add your salt. Give this mixture a good mix. It should smell delicious if you know what I mean. If you like garlic and cheese, what is there not to like? Using a pastry brush, brush each and every single one of these knots liberally. Place these garlic knots in the oven and bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. Once they are golden brown and poofy, take them out of the oven. They should smell delicious. You're going to want to butter them with that remainder of the butter sauce immediately, just so it can hit them and they can have even more flavor. Listen, butter is our friend in this recipe, and we are not counting carbs. No way we're counting carbs on this channel, And then you are ready to serve them up. All you have to do is plate them and enjoy them. I love that these knots literally take no effort into making. They're kind of a no-brainer, so I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you want to recreate it, please do. The recipe is down in my description, in the video description. I always get questions where my recipes are. That's where they're at. And if you ever recreate any of my recipes, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I really love to see your recreations, and I'd really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.